Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, has consistently been one of the richest people in the world. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett is famous for his investment strategy that focuses on long-term value and financial discipline. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett leads a relatively modest life compared to other billionaires, preferring to invest in sound business holdings rather than indulging in luxurious items. In this guide, we'll explore Buffett's top 10 investment holdings that have made him one of the most successful investors in history. Coca-Cola. One of Warren Buffett's most well-known investments is his $1.3 billion stake in Coca-Cola, a company he has long admired for its brand strength, global reach, and consistent profitability. Buffett began purchasing shares of Coca-Cola in the late 1980s, and over time, his investment has ballooned in value, making it one of Berkshire Hathaway's largest holdings. Berkshire Hathaway owns over 400 million shares of Coca-Cola, with the investment now worth over $22 billion. This is not just a testament to Coca-Cola's enduring appeal, but also to Buffett's long-term investment philosophy. He has often said that he buys companies he plans to hold forever, and Coca-Cola fits that mold perfectly. With its vast distribution network, strong brand loyalty, and diversified product range, Coca-Cola continues to deliver consistent returns, showing how Buffett's patience pays off in the long run. Apple. Warren Buffett was famously slow to embrace the tech sector, but when he finally did, he made it count. In 2016, Berkshire Hathaway began purchasing shares of Apple, and today, the company is one of Buffett's largest and most successful investments. The initial $31 billion investment has grown to over $150 billion. Buffett has praised Apple CEO Tim Cook for his excellent leadership.
Apple financially is very, very logically run. A business operator.
And ability to build consumer loyalty, particularly through products like the iPhone. Apple's services segment, including the App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music, also aligns with Buffett's preference for businesses with recurring revenue models. Apple has become a cornerstone of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, and Buffett has stated that he views the company not just as a stock, but as a consumer goods business with a highly loyal customer base. Benz Railway. Berkshire Hathaway's purchase of Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway in 2010 for $34 billion is one of the largest acquisitions in the company's history. This investment demonstrates Buffett's belief in the continued importance of transportation and logistics infrastructure to the U.S. economy. Railways, in particular, are crucial for the transport of goods across the country, from consumer products to coal and oil. Buffett has consistently praised BNSF for its strategic importance and solid financial performance. Railways, according to Buffett, are a moat business, an industry with significant barriers to entry, which makes competition difficult. This acquisition also speaks to Buffett's long-term view of the American economy, which he believes will continue to grow and require the logistics capabilities provided by companies like BNSF. Geico. One of Warren Buffett's earliest and most successful investments, specifically Geico, a company he first bought shares in during the 1950s. What started as a small stake has evolved into full ownership, with Berkshire Hathaway purchasing the remaining shares of Geico in 1996 for $2.3 billion. Geico has become one of Berkshire's most profitable subsidiaries, generating billions in revenue annually. What made Geico so attractive to Buffett was its direct-to-consumer business model, which allows it to offer lower premiums by cutting out agents. Buffett's ability to spot value in Geico early on has paid off handsomely, making it a cornerstone of Berkshire Hathaway's insurance operations. The Kraft Heinz Company. Warren Buffett teamed up with Brazilian private equity firm 3G Capital in 2015 to orchestrate the merger of Kraft Foods and H.A. Heinz, creating one of the largest food and beverage companies in the world, Kraft Heinz. Berkshire Hathaway invested over $10 billion in the merger, though Kraft Heinz has faced challenges in recent years, including changing consumer preferences and struggles with innovation. Buffett has remained patient. He acknowledges the hurdles but believes in the long-term viability of the business, noting its strong brand portfolio and market presence in the food industry. Buffett's investment in Kraft Heinz reflects his confidence in the power of consumer brands, even in the face of industry disruption. American Express. American Express has been a significant part of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio for decades. Buffett began buying shares in the financial services giant in the early 1990s, and today, his $1.3 billion investment in the company has grown to more than $24 billion. What attracted Buffett to American Express was its strong brand, its robust customer loyalty program, and its ability to generate consistent cash flow. American Express charges merchants a higher fee than most credit card companies, but its premium clientele has shown a willingness to pay for the added perks. Like Coca-Cola, Buffett views American Express as a company with a strong moat, one that is difficult for competitors to penetrate. Moody's. Buffett's investment in Moody's, the global credit rating agency, is another example of his fondness for companies with a wide moat. Moody's holds a duopoly, alongside S&P Global, in the credit rating business. Berkshire Hathaway's initial stake in Moody's, acquired in the early 2000s, has grown significantly, now valued at over $10 billion. Moody's provides ratings for corporate bonds, government bonds, and other debt instruments, making it a critical player in global financial markets. Despite some controversy surrounding its role in the 2008 financial crisis, Buffett has maintained his investment. Bank of America. Buffett's relationship with Bank of America dates back to the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis, when he purchased $5 billion in preferred stock as part of the bank's capital raise. This investment has since grown into one of Berkshire Hathaway's largest holdings, with Buffett owning over 1 billion shares, valued at more than $40 billion. Buffett has often spoken about his belief in the long-term resilience of the U.S. banking system, and Bank of America's strong balance sheet and market position make it a key part of his financial sector investments. In 2017, Buffett converted his preferred stock into common stock, further cementing his confidence in the bank's future. Nevada Solar and Energy Investments. Warren Buffett has made significant investments in renewable energy, particularly solar and wind power, through Berkshire Hathaway Energy. Berkshire Hathaway Energy operates some of the largest solar power plants in the U.S. and has made substantial investments in wind farms in states like Iowa and Nevada. Buffett's energy investments underscore his belief in the future of renewable energy and its importance in reducing carbon emissions. While traditional energy sources like coal and oil still play a role in Berkshire's energy portfolio, Buffett sees renewables as an essential part of America's energy future. His investments in solar and wind energy demonstrate his forward-thinking approach to energy infrastructure, a sector that will be critical in the decades to come. BYD. Warren Buffett's bet on electric vehicle manufacturer BYD. In 2008, Berkshire Hathaway purchased a 10% stake in the Chinese electric car and battery company for $230 million. Today, that investment is worth over $8 billion, thanks to BYD's rapid growth as a leader in electric vehicles and battery technology. BYD has become a key player in China's push for greener transportation, producing electric buses, cars, and batteries for various applications. Buffett's investment in BYD highlights his belief in the future of electric vehicles and clean energy solutions. Unlike Tesla, which focuses primarily on high-end electric cars, BYD has built its reputation by offering affordable mass-market vehicles. If you found this breakdown of Buffett's holdings helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which of Buffett's holdings resonates with you the most? Let us know what you think, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of investing and wealth building. Thanks for watching.